Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Hey, I got a new weed eater slash multi-tool in that I wanted to take a look at from Wild Badger Power. It's like a 4-in-1. It's got it's gas powered. It's got a little brush cutter there, the weed eater head. It's got a hedge trimmer on it. Also has a little mini chainsaw over there for cutting limbs. It's a whole bunch of stuff inside that box when you open it up. But I got the hedge trimmer on right there, or the brush cutter on right there. Try it out. I've been needing one of those for these sticker vines and stuff. That weed eater string will cut them, but it'll sure eat that string up fast. But this right here is just knocking it on out. This is that little chainsaw limb trimmer. It also has an extension that you can put in there to get a little higher if you need to. I didn't put the extension in. But it done real good. I mean, this is basically what I would use it for. Trimming low limbs, dead limbs, reaching into stuff to trim out little small limbs. But it did real well. It has an oiler right there. It also has an adjustment right there where you can tilt it and then just pin it back. I went ahead and did a little weed eating with it too. That's what it's mostly going to get used for, is weed eating. I've got quite a bit of that to do around here during the summer. Yeah, all in all, the thing did real good. I got an hour or so working with it. I didn't end up using the hedge trimmer. About the same thing that's going to end up happening with it is cutting vines, sticker vines, stuff like that. But everything did real good on it. It's pretty easy to put it all together. There's just a pin and a little bolt to tighten where you pull it in and out to change over. It also has the back strap right there. I didn't have it on, but it does come with it. But anyway, I'll have a link in the description box if you want to check them out. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.